Now, to check effective sudo policies for a user, we type sudo minus uppercase U, and the user we want to check, for instance, quick user minus L. This command shows what sudo privileges does quick user have right now on this system. So this, let me get back to this command. This uppercase U and quick user will inspect policies for this user, and minus L will list allowed commands and defaults. So this is your go-to command when onboarding, auditing, or troubleshooting the Sudoers. And here we get the user's defaults, such as env reset, strips user's environment variable for security, secure path, timestamp timeout equivalent to 1. So as you remember, sudo session in this case lasts only 1 minute. It's very strict. And allowed commands all. This quick user can run any command as root on this host. Now, if quick user gets access via a group, for instance, %devops, this command resolves it, showing the effective policy, not just direct rules. So if I clear the screen and rerun this command for, where is it? Here it is. Run this command for, let's say, db user, we'll get another output and effective policy for this db users group. Now, how we debug sudo command execution? Let's clear the screen and run the following command: sudo minus u db user. Let's say we want to run sudo minus l command and we want to debug this command and see what happens. Then 2 more than ampersand 1 pipe head minus 10, let's say. So here sudo minus u db user runs the next command as db user. Sudo minus l is the command itself. Here it is. And then this 2 more than ampersand 1 redirects std_err or errors to std_out. So head sys then. So let's try running another command. For instance, sudo minus, actually let's get back to the previous one and modify it. Sudo minus u will remove this part and will change the command. For instance, we want to debug the following command: sudo systemctl restart nginx. Hit return, provide the password, and the password should be db123. And in that case, we see the standard sorry db user is not allowed to execute this command. But if they are allowed, we could see another error message, which helps us to troubleshoot the policies mismatch.